Hello and welcome back. I want to do a quick 100-second analysis of Zillow. They've been in the news obviously for bad reasons. They recently shuttered their iBuying program, and as you can see, huge drops in the last, was this 3 days? They're down 34%. This was a holding of mine, so I wanted to review it again and figured I'd share that with you to let you know kind of my thoughts. Not that this is investment advice, but basically anywhere I slice it, I think that if they're focusing on their ITM, Internet Technology and Media, which is their most profitable segment, they're cutting out the homes, the iBuying, which was cash flow negative, but a huge part of their revenue, 60% of their revenue. There's a huge drop in revenue, but an increase in margin. Um, because this is high margin, you could see decent margins here, and at current market cap levels, if they grow 10%, maybe it's reasonable at this rate. Again, this is after we're down 30%. Yeah. I've done other analysis where, here we have what their current revenue is again, just the ITM segment. If they grow 10% a year, what's the revenue worth? What is the stock worth based on exit multiples and DCF? I average them, and any way you slice it, I'm getting, low 50s to 60s, $60 um, when I do a 10-year DCF. Currently, the stock sits at about 68, so right now I'm still not buying more. I'm not going to buy the dip, but again, this still represents a massive opportunity. This is if they can even get I think they were saying they're the number one brand in real estate, but they still only make up like are involved in like 4% of transactions in the States. There's also potential to go elsewhere. I know they're entering Canada in a bigger way. So I still think that the product is great, the business is great, the valuation though still isn't there. So I personally am holding. I'm not going to sell, even though I think it is a little still overvalued. I want to see where this shakes out over the next couple weeks. I'm also going to hold it because I can always sell it for a loss and loss harvest and then buy back in the future if I think if it's a good deal again in the future. But right now, my soft rating is a hold, maybe a sell if you see much more attractive opportunities. I personally have a bunch of cash on the sidelines, so I'm buying other things that I think are more attractive, like Facebook. But right now, this is a hold for me, as I really want to keep my hands on the pulse of Zillow. Again, this was 100-second ratings. My name is Josh. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know, what do you think of Zillow? Are you buying, selling, holding, buying the dip? Do you think that the iBuying industry is overrated, overhyped? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much, and talk to you next time.